Okay, good afternoon from sunny Netherlands, as always. Sky blue and a beautiful bike. Eh? And yeah, what do we have here, Jon?
The Kawasaki 750 H2 1972.
Two. The Mach IV to be exact.
Yeah.
And well, you already warmed up the bike?
2 times.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So well, let's hear it. These bikes sound great, unique sound with the 3-cylinder, air-cooled. There he goes. I know the feeling, I've got the same one in blue. Also a Mach IV 72 and they go up really easy. And they have the name, of course, the Widowmaker, because a lot of people had accidents on it. It's a fast and dangerous bike, but it's iconic. This one has open air filter, so that's not original, but let's hear it. Oh, we have visitors. One moment. Yeah, you can pass. So, good driver. Candy gold. Engine is rebuilt. We are selling the bike for a German owner who asked us for help. He likes to buy bikes, work on it, but selling is always difficult. He doesn't like that, so we do that for him, as we do that for many collectors. The Kawasaki H2 750 Mach IV with a rebuilt engine. Very nice. If you're interested, contact us. You can visit the website. I think it's online, or if not, it will be next week. Since a couple of days all prices are visible. You don't need to have an account anymore. You can order online. We ship worldwide, we can make you an offer wherever you are, no problem at all. Beautiful bike, yes. 5,175 kilometers after engine rebuild. So contact us. You can visit us in the Netherlands. You can schedule a video call and you can also just order it online. Okay, if you like the video, please follow us and a lot of new videos will follow. Thank you for watching again. Bye bye.